Welcome back. The Riverwalk Park and Amphitheater in West Columbia have reopened months after being damaged by Hurricane Helene. The city announced today that both attractions are now open, from the Moffett Street entrance to the connection to Casey. According to leaders, Riverwalk experienced some extensive flooding when Helene hit the Carolinas last fall, leaving the Moffett Street section closed for repairs in the time since. In a statement, the mayor says in part, quote, "We're grateful for the community's support throughout the restoration efforts, and we're excited to see the Riverwalk once again serving as a gathering place for all," end quote.